How to get progress from your child. It's work. I don't care if it's soccer practice or you're thinking of movement lesson. You got to do it. If you want someone that's top notch, right? Whether it's your child or whoever you're working with, you've got to be involved. I think it's amazing. And it's a huge shout out, and I'm going to try not to cry. So if I look off, you know why I'm doing it, even though I'm looking at myself still. Tanya's efforts as a mother, as a superhero, Alizé, the people around her, including me, but it still wasn't only me. Yes, I've gone to Belgium. Yes, I've gone to help work with her. She's been here many a times. There was SPML, but you don't understand, and I'm not going to give away too much information because it's not my information to tell, but basically, a man went off to work one day and got a phone call saying, who do you want to save, your child or your wife? Horrific birth. And I mean, when Tanya went home, she couldn't even hold her own child because she wasn't walking. To get them both. Now, does she have a background? She's Olympics, gymnastics, sports gymnastics, not Olympic level, but I mean, pretty darn close. Professional levels, I should say. Lawyer. I mean, again, she's got that driven nose. Like, how many languages do you know, Tanya? 7? Working on probably more. This is just a necessary action. When you have a child and you're trying to understand what's going on and you need a course of action, first of all, again, that's the frustration of not having that course of action and then getting a course of action and really concentrating on what needs to be done. But it's due diligence. It's just constant work. Just like sitting down every night and doing homework with your children. I mean, you weren't taught how to teach your kids to see. We weren't taught how to even work with development, or seeing the potential in our children some days. I mean, dealing with, that's why I do the parent courses. I mean, gosh, just even dealing with the depression of it all. I don't know, I'm saying Tanya had it, but I'm just saying, yeah, there's a lot of overcoming. If I see one more, I mean, I'm very religious, but at the same time too, if I see one more time where God only gives these children to special people, no, we didn't plan for this. We didn't sign up. It wasn't part of our mission or religious retreat. It is what it is. And we're parents, we're humans. We don't just, like doctors will say, save your troubles for the next one. There is no next one. This is my child. And going on, but I could not be prouder of Alizé. And just, I mean, I've just known her since she was, when we did our Zooms starting off with, 6-7 months old or something like that. So, it's really cool. But if you think that this just went, like these videos of showing an egg and then, going in and all of a sudden it's frying in a pan, it doesn't work like that. I wish it would, but it is a bit of a learning curve because you didn't plan for it. It's not that you're here confused of movement lesson. You didn't plan for this. And so there's the biggest learning curve, and we have to get over that hurdle. But it is continuity of care. I don't care if you're doing this work or not. If you're working with standard care, all of that. If you think a 1 a week and then they call in sick and they're busy and you're scheduled and you have an appointment, turns into 1 a month is continuity of care, it doesn't work that way. It just doesn't. And so this is an amazing story. It's not a shout out to me by any means. It's a shout out to these two amazing people. And, we're all a part of it, but at the same time too, I just couldn't be prouder. So it can be doable, but what Tanya needs to do is that old before and after, but she's just got it and it's great. So well done. Love ya.